welcome to the mix, and making it in the mix today is Erica, as she calls and shows all the women that have been bothering her, that have been posting on social media, and she's very upset as she shows each one, and she asks her moderator to come on and to block them. Please remain for the video, and please like, share, and comment.
You know, she say you get too much teeth, and that's why you're so blood clot fast. So no look here. Samantha Wiggins, a 48 teeth you get. That's why you feel like you want to take set for me United Manchester United Kingdom. Look, you get too much rascal teeth. So what a friggin' lucky thing we did make. You imagine you with your 10,000 teeth. I don't have no week make a safer file. Come in ask, you get too much teeth. And that's why you walk around a free grown people, because you're having too much rascal teeth. Samantha Wiggins. Samantha Wiggins, you're having too much blood clot teeth. Me nah ask if you have it. Look here. Me say Samantha having too much teeth and checking nose. Hamburger nose and too much teeth. Lady, where you feel go do a pray for your knee, say what a lucky thing one man come in we make wig. Lady, imagine if wig never make an eye shadow and sitting. You couldn't pass nowhere. You couldn't go nowhere. Nowhere. Neither back way, front way, side way, no fucking way at all. Not even in a crab hole. You couldn't walk. What a lucky thing eye shadow and fingernail make. Violet Thompson. Thomas, when me see me sure me this blood clot all folia. She said she report me page too. She said come report page. Look on this ras clot all folia. And then all folia. Port of Spain. Yes, all fall. Come here. Come here, all fall. Yes, come here, Violet Thompson. Come here. I want to sit down and chastise people. You look like Violet? Or you look like violence? You is violence. You is not violet. You is fucking violent. Violence you not promote. Yeah. Violence you not promote. Betty Candy. Look if I not in the house you're there. Ya call me where you want, call me, no check in this. I see this shit down at the house, you know. Our nightlife, this, you know. So them are going like they not do nightlife. Yes. A nightlife, this is me starting and left a trend with your young girl. So you sit down in your chair and wait for it there. Nightlife, night blood clot life, this young girl. Nightlife. Nightlife, you run. Nightlife.